No, don't touch it. Okay. Nicholas. My cat is under the couch right now. You can probably see his paw. Oh no, he's not coming out. He's become immune to scariness. This is probably scaring the crap out of him, but it's pretty funny to watch him just attack the baseball when it comes out. See? Oh, he's afraid of it. Oh, he's attacking. Afraid, attacking, afraid, attacking. But yeah, he's half under the couch right now, which is awesome because he rarely does this. You can still see his paws. See, watch. Oh, can't zoom in. Just gotta go like that. And don't pot like a kitty cat potted. Attack! Attack! The baseball bat is my little brother's.
And I'll be taking that back.
No, just wait, Nicholas, no!
1 more minute.
Okay. Bring it in. Oh, he attacked on the way in too. Attack! Sorry. Attack! He attacks it, yeah. A random paw in the corner. Attack!
You want to see what you want to see what the cat really looks like?
See that is
There you go.
There's
That's
Earl.
what he looks like.
Earl. Oh, don't make him make out with the camera.
Earl, help me.
Oh,
Oh, perfect sound.
oh, did you guys see that? You? Oh, he knows where it's at. Sorry if I'm bouncing the camera all over the place. No matter where
I like maple chicken.
Oh, Nicholas likes maple chicken. Oh, sorry, Earl. I keep thinking that I'm hitting him. I'm not. No, I'm not.
You want to look at the lava carpet?
There's the lava carpet. Oh, going to the shade there. Alright, Nicholas. Don't be such a piece of hand. Please. The main point of this video was not a lava carpet. My little brother acted like an idiot. Me being awesome.
He's stupid.
It was. I am not. Oh my god. He's completely. Oh, don't be afraid. He just completely went. That was awesome. Did you see that? It's just randomly. Oh. It's just randomly like staring at the camera. Yeah.
He's a camera cat.
Yeah, he's got a smile for the camera. He likes being poked with a baseball bat. Anybody else want to be poked with a baseball bat? Any cats out there? Any cat fans? Oops. Sorry, I'm looking.
He's tired.
Yeah, I'm very tired.
And he's stupid.
I'm not stupid. I'm awesome. I'm very, very awesome.
You're sick. I'll get you a tissue right now.
Nicholas, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Peace.